我们有做一个印度人在台湾，为了谢谢台湾的汽机车游行。
Almost 35 countries have covered this news on.
Hello my YouTube family, welcome to today's vlog. Today's vlog, 100 Indian people went to the Indian restaurant called Tandoor Indian Kitchen to celebrate a big event that was happened 2 weeks before, which is called Bikes and Car Rally, to say thank you Taiwan for saving all of us. So if you didn't watch that video yet, you can check out here. So in this vlog you will see how Indian people dance, how they eat, how they do party when they get together in Taiwan. So check it out. This is the biggest Indian restaurant in Taipei. And that's the Indian Association of Thailand. And that's the name of this restaurant, Tandoor. That's the main motive, like Taiwan can help bike and rally. And that's the success party of that. That's the after party. I hope you enjoy it.
我们今天在庆祝，前一阵子我们有做一个印度人在台湾，为了谢谢台湾的汽机车游行。那今天就是像一个庆功宴，那我们在那个thành都印度餐厅，那也非常谢谢 DJ 帮我们把这个消息传播给大家。再见。
How are you all? Good. Good. Enjoying?
Enjoying very good.
Hi. You need paratha, right? You need paratha? Hi. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Enjoying?
Not here.
Oh, you are not here, but you are here. So everybody having dinner. They are eating here. Hi. Yes, baby. Hi.
इंग्लिश तो समझो ना तुम्हारी तो रॉबर्ट होता था रॉबर्ट कैसे रॉबर्ट ना
There is some dance going on now.
The support of all associations and the Indian groups who came forward and they joined the hands together, and you know the story that everything is like it has been a very successful event so far, and it is not only a Taiwan news but it is an international news. So almost 35 countries have covered this news on their mainstream newspapers and also online. Possible with the support of all these associations. So one by one, I would like to invite this association president and the representative to give a speech, introduce their association and what event they have.
That's how Indian dance.
Sometimes I feel that it is not he is successful, it is rather success is following him. He is so good about it.
Anji! Oi! Hey!
It's just the beginning of a new era that we have never seen before.
I wanted to say a few words that ICCT, Indian Culture Committee of Taipei, is a group of a few individual groups in Taiwan. We have TIC, ICT, Tamil group, Marathi group.
separate, but I will definitely like to request them that since we are meeting here, all association mixed together, why not in a year? Thank you.
Why are you not dancing?
I would like to invite them to come under one banner, ICCT. So we have a many program we can celebrate under one banner. Like
bringing all different parts, different communities, bringing
I would like to add MMG.
initiative. As we all know, our India is a Free Tech initiative, and he planned it very well, and it was very successful event. That's why, and it's under one roof.
I'm Priya. I'm with Indians in Taiwan, IIT Indians in Taiwan. You might have seen it on Facebook. If you're not an in, please join. Also like the page. We organize the Indian Cultural Festival with the Indian Museum. We don't have smaller groups because all the other smaller community groups are there. Here in the past or studying and now is welcome to join the group. We've had students who are feeling depressed due to thesis and things like that, and we're going to try to find people who can just talk to them and have them come and share. So.
And now,
I don't want to say much because you risk to come too much. actually, whatever you say, just give me the more energy.
He's an Indian, but born as Taiwanese. In Chinese, they say "san so ti."
All together, we met.
Yeah, Jeff.
Taiwan better, India better, world better.
three prizes for the best photo. Maximum share the necessary sponsored by Tandoor only. As a gesture. Maximum share DJ. His video is getting viral. His YouTube is breaking all records. His first time, his YouTube video is crossing 10K likes. And I think it will cross 20K very soon. So video is already viral, and we have done a great job in covering this event. Thank you, DJ, and you deserve this. Thank you. Reena!
is the best yoga pose.
एक और वर्षा कम ओपन अप ओपन
I will do it.
वाइड ओ यार अच्छा वाला आएगा
This is rare.
one more two and this restaurant is open before 31 years and that's the first restaurant in Taiwan and that's the I think the space wise is the biggest and I think it's amazing. And which district it is? Where is it? This So if you are watching this vlog till now, that means you like it. So just press the like button and subscribe to my channel for more updates about how Indian live in Taiwan and the difference between India and Taiwan culture. So thank you for watching this vlog and Chai Chan. Bye bye. See you next time. Namaste.